Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So if you guys are here for the first time, then you might want to check out my other video before this. I am on a weight gain journey. The last video I had gained 7 pounds. From there, I'm still weighing the same amount. It's only been a week. I checked it again today. It's about like a pound, but that's, yeah. So that's only been like a week from the last video. So what I wanted to show you guys is how I make my smoothies. So I'm gonna call these the weight gain smoothies, but who knows? Y'all probably can tell me what else to add. I told y'all that I add the fruit, the oatmeal, oat milk, and the protein powder. I said I was going to let you guys know what protein powder I use, so I'm actually going to show you guys up here. So right here, this is what I used. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys, and look y'all, I just came back from the gym, so next time I can definitely take y'all on the journey with me to the gym so you guys can see what I do. There's a lot of weightlifting. Yeah, it's a lot of weightlifting. I just boosted up my weights because it was, you know, getting a little easy. So I'm like, okay, let me boost these joints up. So that's that. And what I'm gonna do is show y'all how to make my smoothies. Okay, period. That's how I make my smoothies, guys. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.